Today I'm going to show you how to add more than 4 columns in Systeme.io. This is incredibly useful when you're designing complex sales funnels and need to display multiple elements side by side for a more professional and organized layout. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Systeme.io. Once you're on the home page, log in using your credentials to access your account dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your main workspace where you can manage all your funnels and pages. Now look at the top toolbar of your dashboard. From there, navigate to Sites and then select Sales Funnels. This will take you to a page displaying all the funnels you've created in your account. This is where you'll choose which funnel you want to modify by adding those additional columns. Next, click on the funnel where you want to add more than 4 columns. This action will open up the funnel's overview page, showing you all the pages contained within that particular funnel. From here, you'll be able to access the editing tools you need to customize your page layout. In the right panel, you'll see an option that says Edit Page. Go ahead and click on it. This will launch the page editor, which is the main workspace where you can design and modify your funnel pages. The editor interface is divided into panels that give you control over various design elements. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, navigate to the section labeled Section. You'll see various layout options available for structuring your page. Drag this section element onto your canvas. This creates a new container where you can add multiple columns and organize your content more effectively. After adding the section to your canvas, click on it to select it. With the section selected, look back at the left panel and find the 3 columns option. Drag this 3 columns element into the section you just added. This will give you your first set of 3 columns within that section. Now here's the key to getting more than 4 columns. Simply drag another 3 columns element into the same section you added. By doing this, you're stacking multiple column layouts within a single section, which allows you to exceed the standard 4-column limit. You can continue this process to add as many columns as your design requires, giving you complete flexibility in how you structure your sales funnel page. And that's it. You've successfully added more than 4 columns to your Systeme.io funnel, allowing for a much more versatile and customized page layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.